Welcome back to the channel. Today we're back again with another video, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you a new VPN app that is available on the Google Play Store. This app helps secure your internet connection and adds an extra layer of protection while you are browsing online. I'd like to welcome all viewers, both new and returning. If you're new here and haven't subscribed yet, feel free to subscribe so you don't miss future videos. On this channel, we regularly share useful apps that help improve online security. To get started, open the Google Play Store on your phone. In the search bar, type AT Net Plus and search. From the results, select the correct app by checking the name and icon, then install it on your device. Once the installation is complete, open the app to begin the setup. Make sure you have an active internet connection and data enabled because the app needs to update its resources before it can work properly. After the app opens, tap on the location option to select a server. You can choose the auto-select server, which allows the app to automatically connect to the best server in your area. You can also choose a UDP server if you prefer, as UDP servers are fast and reliable. Next, select the network or connection method. For this guide, I recommend choosing the All-Country Internet UDP option. This setting is fast, secure, and works in most countries that support UDP. If this option does not work for you, simply tap the list and select your country manually. Finally, tap on the Start button. The app will begin connecting, and once connected, your internet connection will be secure and stable. That's how you can set up AT Net Plus to enjoy a fast, secure connection with added protection while online. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, share it, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.